During the procedure, sometimes we run into a situation where the client's skin is kind of dry, doesn't clean very well. The pigment always gets attached to dry skin because it's a little flaky. So in order to avoid that situation, or to sometimes hydrate the skin, let's say when we work on eyes, we clean multiple times so the skin can get irritated. What I do, I take a little bit of the balm, obviously not during the procedure, not like that. I have it on my tray, but I will show you what I do. When I teach classes, I always notice little things that artists are doing that actually waste their time. They touch the balm or the Vaseline or anything with their fingers. Instead, I place a little bit on my glove, then I grab the cotton, get a little bit and clean the skin. So that way my fingers are never oily, they're never slippery on the face, and also I have the balm in order to clean during the procedure and hydrate the skin. So I hope that this is a good kind of tip for you to do the procedure quicker, more effective, and pleasant to your client.